other box I opened, which was Amazon box, but this one I was expecting from BespokePost.com. Let's see what we got. I don't know why I don't have my knife with me, but I'm able to open it this way. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. Nice little red in there. Okay. Holiday shop is coming. Your bitter box is here. All right. What we got in the bitter box? Wow. Got all sorts of bitters. I have this one, toasted pecan or pecan, depending on where you would raise that. Next one I have in here, sea smoke. I don't know what that is. Owl and Well sea smoke bitter. These are all for your drinks when you want to make a drink. Ah, Hellfire. Small baton, Nashville, Tennessee. All right. This one got the little droplet on it so you can bloop, bloop, drop it up in there. So that's pretty good. They give me a lot of bitters. This next bitter is Exorcism bitter. Bennett. I don't know if I want this exorcism. Let's see. Something else that you could drop in your drink. Then we have the aromatic bitters. This one was made in Portland, Oregon. Alright, it has stuff on the back on what you could do. They said put a little 1.5 of spirit, 3 to 6 ounces of soda water, 1 teaspoon of the bitters, a few dash bitters, and some ice. Alright. Well, I gotta make a video whenever I make a drink with this because I don't really drink with bitters, just liquor and juice or just straight liquor. That's all I got for y'all. I will see you next time. This is called the Bitter Box from BespokePost.com. Thank you for watching.